Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update the Gmail app, and now let's dive right in. Now to update your Gmail app, first open up your Play Store on your phone and not the Gmail app itself, guys. So let's open up the Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, guys, you can see the search button is available for us over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the search button at the bottom right, and when you land on this interface, we'll be required to search for the Gmail app. So at the top of the screen there is the search bar. Tap on the search bar and type in Gmail and search for it. And over here, guys, you can see the Gmail has appeared in front of us. Now in case if your Gmail app had required an update, instead of the open button there would be the update button available for us. Since in my case there is no update button, which means that my Gmail app on my phone is up to date and I'll not be required to update it. But in your case, guys, tap on the update button if there's an update available for your Gmail app. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to update your Gmail app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.